Hi viewers, as promised, today we'll be proving the product law of logarithm, which is log of mn is equals to log of m plus log of n. How do we prove this? Let's just start immediately. So we'll just assume, we'll just say let a certain number a is equals to log of some base x of m. This is just an assumption, right? So when we have this kind of, and also we have two logarithms, right? So the thing is, let's bring two numbers. And let's say b is equals to log of some base x of n. So now let's rewrite this. From what I said recently, I said when you have log of base a of m is equals to x can be written as a power x, right? Is equals m. I'll relate it to what I'm having here. That means for this, it can be written as x raised to power a is equals m, right? And we're going to have x raised to power b is equals what? N as well, right? Relating to what I'm having here. So that means x raised to power a of this one and this one, they are two different things. But looking at what I'm trying to prove, I'm saying that when you have two things, mn, that means I need mn, right? So what is mn? Mn is equals, what is m? X raised to power a dot, what is n? N is x raised to power b. But from the law of indices, when you have same bases being product of each other, you add the power, right? So that means mn is equals x raised to power a plus b, right? So look at what I'm going to do next. Recall from what I said here. How do we go back from where we are now? This was the base, right? How do we go back? Look at what happened. If you are taking back the base, that means what is on the power will remain where it was, right? So that means let's take this back. We want to take this base back to where it's coming from. But before that, let me write it as this. Let's say it is x raised to power a plus b is equals this is n, right? I want to rewrite this to go back to where it came from, right? So that means I'm going to have log of base x, right? Then you bring back mn because you have to bring m as well, right? So I will bring mn, right? This is equals, we said you leave the power where it was, right? So that means I'll be leaving a plus b here. So I'm going to have a plus b, right? So that means log of mn base x is equals to a plus b. But recall what I said. What is a? A is log of x, log of m of base x, and b is what? Log of n base x. So that means I can rewrite it in place of a and b, right? So that means log of base x of mn is equals, instead of a, I will say log of base x of n plus what? Log of base x of n. And as you can see, we've proved it because we said log of mn is equals to log of m plus log of nn, which is the same thing as what we are having here. Thanks for watching. We still have so many the remaining two laws to prove, right? So don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and share.